Horizon Wiring is a company that supplies bespoke wiring solutions for the motorsport industry, the automotive industry, and also the marine industry. We're based in Norfolk in a little town called Diss. So we currently have 35 employees, of which the majority are workshop-based technicians. We have a small team of admin workers and a QC department.
I use Flowlens primarily for all of our quality control and tracking. So when we have an item coming from a customer to build, we'll use Flowlens to track all of our testing equipment, all of our testing procedures, right the way from initial quoting all the way through to it being dispatched to the customer.
We do offer quite a lot of traceability with our products, which is not something that all customers can offer, which is a big selling point for a lot of our, especially higher end customers.
When a technician is building something for us, they'll fill out one of the Flowlens forms to sort of accompany that individual item, and once they've filled out that form, that'll get sent over to us in the quality department. Previously there would have been someone who'd had to have stayed on top of all of our spreadsheets and making sure they're right every week, checking through everything that we'd sent out, making sure they were correct.
You know, we're able to turn around quotes very quickly. We're able to trace all our parts from beginning to end. We're also having a stock management system which is flawless and accurate was very, very important to us. Zero integration was important to us because obviously my business partner works mostly remotely, and he has a full vision of what we're creating via Flowlens onto our Zero software. I think for me there's a big environmental aspect of it. So the industry traditionally was very paper driven, so a lot of printing of drawings, a lot of printing of job cards and things like that, which with this system has completely eliminated that. We're fully electronic, we hardly print any paper.
Yeah, in previous roles I was using like spreadsheets. Like I had a different application for like invoicing and then orders, so it was just more time consuming, I guess. But Flowlens is really good and organised, and I like that. It's all in one place and I can add any files to it, any uploads, so all I need is Flowlens really.
Yeah, the entire business is based around the use of Flowlens and the benefits that it brings us. We work in an industry where we're selling man hours on benches to produce customer products that they require, but our admin team is very slim. I know we can't give all the credit to Flowlens, but at the same time we have to admit that having that software that's allowed us to manage, you know, a business with 35 people in it with 2 people essentially is incredible.
Customers will frequently dictate to us the serial numbers that work internally for their system, because Flowlens allows us to put in whatever serial number we want for a given job card and a build. We just simply input their serial number. It means that when they have a concern, we can just search it on our system, we can find it, and it just pulls all of the information of where, if that assembly has come back to us, if it's been modified, if it's had an issue and we fixed it. I think it probably saves, for me personally, probably tens of hours a week. From a customer's point of view, when we've been audited by customers, the feedback we've had is they're really impressed with the servicing features of them being able to track and us being able to tell them when they've sent items back.
The nature of the business, there's so many jobs and so many like outstanding builds going on. Flowlens is easy because it's all listed and I can see what is outstanding that we're waiting for.
So working with Flowlens from the beginning was really smooth. They helped us set up all our system, adding the parts to the system, which was quite a big job because obviously in an industry like ours there's a lot of parts to be added. But mainly the support, I think, has been really helpful. In our marine industry we tend to receive a lot of the parts back for servicing, so being able to check them in as a part, we've got full traceability of who built it, what tools were used, when the parts were bought from purchase orders and etc. It's just flawless for us, yeah.
The fact that it's streamlined and gives you only the information that you want and need, and then the traceability for customers and ourselves is invaluable.